How to choose the best debt mutual fund? What parameters to consider in choosing the debt mutual fund? To help you gain more insights on debt mutual fund investment, we have our financial expert Mr. Hariharan with us. Hariharan, could you please elaborate more on this?
A few things before we select debt mutual fund. Debt funds, when you want to select, what you're supposed to watch out for, you look at what is the maturity profile and duration of the fund. The very simple formula is match your investment time horizon with the duration of the fund or the maturity of the fund. So, if, for example, if you want to invest for 6 months, look at debt mutual funds which has got an average maturity close to 6 months. So that there's a theoretical concept here that when you invest in a debt mutual fund for the same period or similar period as its maturity, you can expect what is called as a YTM returns, a yield to maturity returns minus the expense, right? So from that perspective, short-term funds, will be less sensitive to changes in interest rates as compared to long-term funds. When you look at debt mutual funds, important to also look at the credit quality of the fund. So when you look at the portfolio, you look at what is the mix of AAA assets, non-AAA assets. That's very important. What is the concentration risk? Is the fund manager investing in 30, 40, 50 securities or 100 securities? Because in debt, concentration risk becomes important because there is a possibility of default in some of the debt securities. And therefore, if you're overexposed or if you have a very concentrated portfolio, the hit on the PNL could be significant, right? Then, of course, you also look at macroeconomic parameters, you look at liquidity conditions. So these are some of the parameters that you look at before you choose a debt mutual fund.
Thanks for your detailed answer.
If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.